Hello traders, welcome to FX Elite Club channel. This is a new breaking down video. In this video I'll be breaking down the market with you, and I will share with you our watch list for this week. So hope you guys enjoy the video and catch some pips from it. So let's start with Euro USD. This is our first currency pair on our watch list, and we are standing on the 4 hours time frame. What we can see here that we have this uptrend line that the price has been respecting, moving around it and making a really nice waves. And also we have this area, this gray block that, as you can see here, at 1.08750, and this is a very strong area for the Euro USD, and the price has been respecting it for a long time. It's also an historical number for Euro USD. As you can see, whenever the price break it, whether to the upside or the downside, it has to come back and retest it. Over here we have 2 or 3 retests of the area after the price broke it to the downside, and we have this retest to the upside when the price broke it to the upside. As you can see, this is a pretty strong area for USD, and if you watch it on a historical base, you will see that it's very important area for the price. So right now the price broke the area to the upside, and we also have this uptrend line. So what we can do is wait for the price to come all the way back to the trend to touch it, and at the same time it will retest the block or the gray area that I've been talking about. So we will wait for the price to come down, and at this point we can enter a buy trade and take the Euro USD all the way to, this is our take profit, 1.011800. So this is for the Euro USD. Let's move to the next pair, and of course it will be gold. A lot of people are interested in gold, so let's go see what we can do with it. Well, as you can see, the price have been a bit choppy in gold, but I think it's all about the coronavirus and how it affects all the market and all the currency pairs, but still we can trade on it. As you can see, we have this area around 1,700, and it's very important and very strong area for the price, as you can see. But at the same time we have this small downtrend that the price failed to break it here, or to break it here, or to form any higher high than this high. So the price is kind of trapped in this downtrend, and also we have this small uptrend that the price is failing to come back above it again. So I believe that the price, if the price could not break this downside trend line, it will keep moving in this area. And of course you can enter around this and, you know, get like 100 pips in each trade, or you can go scalping for like 50 pips in each trade around this area, touch the trend and back to 1,700 and back again to the trend, until you can see a break of the trend line. Or if the trend line, the downtrend line, was broken to the upside, then the gold actually can go all the way up to 1,775. I believe that the gold can go all the way up to this number, but we need to see a clean and clear break of the this downtrend line, and then gold will move to the upside. If the price failed to break this downtrend and we saw a break also of 1,700, we can expect that the price will start to forming a lower low, a lower high, a lower low, and lower high, and will keep moving to the downside. So it depends. Right now all you can do in gold is go for a scalping trades around this trend line, and between the trend line and the 1700 area. Until you see a break, you cannot enter like a long-term trade as a buy or a sell trade. You need to wait to see, as I said, a break of the trend line or a nice break of 1700 area. So this is for gold. Let's go see Dow Jones. Dow Jones has been actually interesting lately, and we've entered many trades on it on the VIP, and we achieved a lot on it. I believe it's really nice currency pair. If you're not familiar with, you need to trade on it for a while until you understand how it moves, but I think it's really nice currency pair to trade on. So what we have here is this area around, let me see the number exactly, it's 23,500. This number is very strong, very important area also for the Dow Jones. As you can see, the price cannot close above it or close below it with a clear and good candlestick. So right now we need to see that the price comes all the way up above it and actually close with a big and price action, actually bullish candlestick, to say that the price will go up, as we have this trend line, and also it happens to be a fib area, so the price can actually move to the upside, but we need to see an evidence. We cannot enter now, so we will wait. And also, if the price managed to break this blue line around 23,320, this number, as you can see, it's a pretty strong support for the price, and the price retraced from it once. If the price managed to break it, then Dow Jones will continue its way to the downside. But as I said, we need to see a clear and clean close, whether above this area or below this line, to enter a buy or a sell trade. But in any ways, the trade will give you a very good risk and reward ratio, and you will have a great take profit in Dow Jones, as the spaces and the ranges in Dow Jones are very big. So this is for Dow Jones. Let's move to Euro AUD. It's also on our watch list for this week. So as you can see, the price pushed itself all the way up after have been rallying to the downside here. It pushed itself to the upside finally. So we have this area around here, which as I said before, it's a very strong area for the price, and also it happens to be a fib level. So as you can see, the price gave us a price action here and started to retrace from it, but we still have our block around 1.70,000, and this a very important block for the price. So what we can do, if you missed entering sell after seeing this amazing price action candlestick, well, you can wait for the price to break 1.70,000 and retest it once again. Let me show you. Break it, then retest of the area. You can enter a sell trade around here and take it all the way down to this area or this area around. Actually, on a bigger time frames, Euro USD is bullish, so you cannot expect a very big take profit, or you cannot enter a long-term trade on Euro USD as a sell trade. As I said, on a bigger time frames, it's very bullish, so I believe it will continue its way to the upside, but maybe we will see a nice retracement for this really big bullish move, and it will go down and then will continue its way to the upside. So finally, we have on our watch list AUD CHF. AUD CHF, as you can see, it has been moving in a really nice uptrend, but boom, we had this strong bearish movement to the downside. I believe it has something to do with interest rate news or some. It was a fundamental reason that pushed the price all the way to the downside. Right now we have this area. As you can see, it's a strong area that retraced the price once. The price broke it. Whenever it broke it, it retested. And again, right now we have a break. The price broke the area. And as you can see, it's actually failing to surpass it. So what we can do is enter a sell trade around this area. And actually it will be a really nice trade, as you will have a very tight stop loss and a pretty nice take profit. You can take it as a long-term trade all the way down to 0.58,000. So as you can see, this was a price action candlestick. You can also wait for the other 4 hours candlestick to close. If you saw a nice price action, a bearish price action, you can enter a sell trade on it. So this is our watch list for the week, and this is the currency pairs we are focusing on. Hope you guys like the video and enjoy it. If you have any question, you can write down in the comments or contact us on Telegram and Instagram, or our links are down below in the description box. Do not hesitate to contact us, and one of our team will get back to you as soon as possible. So have a great week, traders, and I will see you guys in the next video.